of hotels.
It's up. It's my sister. Here is all new town.
This is a new town.
It's a new town.
It's a new town. Are these houses or hotels?
Here I'm going in the middle of the street.
Yeah.
I show you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's not good.
So here
Yeah.
is the middle of the street. Okay.
Middle.
You go that way.
Yeah.
Have a large bars and restaurants and the
Okay.
little shops.
Okay.
And with the finish and top we there and the finish it's here. Okay.
The top is up there.
Yeah, the top it's up there.
Yeah.
I'll show you a little more. I can go up because it's impossible for the cars.
Okay.
It's the top. Is maybe more. Is it 200 kilometers? Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And that way is the finish. And they have the same with this. Okay, bars anywhere and the two parts. Here it only have this way, but up there have two parts. Bars
parts.
and restaurants.
Okay.
And the little shops.
Are those hotels over there?
Here is the hotel.
Hotel, yeah.
It's the hotel, yes.
Okay, okay. Lots of hotels, eh?
It's a nice hotel, yeah.
Yeah.
And the nighting, it's a party here. Have a large party in the
The
night.
nights, yeah.
Yeah, the people walking in the streets.
All right.
It's nice time. For
Dancing
coming
and drinking, having fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
Take a drink.
Yeah. Yeah, drinking
So.
beers and yeah.
I'm in company, everybody saying it's good, it's karaoke.
Sports bar club.
Yes.
Okay. Is it very busy at night?
And the nighting, yes. The day is more quiet,
Yeah.
but then the nighting is nice.
So in the night, is it like tourists?
Yeah, it's for the tourists.
Okay, having drinks and dancing on.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want to relax, the nighting is better with the old town.
Old town, a bit for relaxing.
Better for relaxing. You can take a drink, you sit up there and you see the view. You have the music ao vivo.
Are you going back to the old town now?
Now I go to back in the new town.
In the new town?
Old town, sorry.
Okay. Have you finished ever in the old town?
Yeah, all in the street.
Only the strip?
Yes,
Okay.
for the party.
Okay.
It's better for that way.
Oh, they built a new town for the parties and hotels and bars and clubs.
Yes.
Okay. And the old town now is
Old
for shops
town
and
for shopping.
supermarkets.
Yes, museums. Have the cathedral, museums, different.
Museum.
Yeah, museum.
Okay. Yeah.
And with the marina is over there.
Marina.
Yeah, marina.
Okay. So all the beaches in the new old town, Beach.
The beach, yes.
in the old town, yeah?
Old town. Have another one there, but it's a small beach.
Small beach up there.
Yes.
Okay.
You go that way for down,
Yeah.
you go to the beach.
Okay.
Okay? Everywhere.
Are
Do
these
you see the
houses-
street?
Sorry.
Maybe. Do you stay here? Do you see the street?
Yeah.
Do you go for down that way?
Yeah.
You have the beach.
Oh, the beach, yeah, yeah.
And
you can just
another
go
way to go down, you
to
have
the beach.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, because you can just walk on the beach
Yeah,
from
you look
that
there.
angle. Yeah. All the roads lead to the
Yeah,
beach.
or go.
I like that because they build the road like 50 meters from the beach.
Yes.
That's it. So the town is like, that's what I'm saying, They build the town like 50 meters from the beach.
Yeah. So here
Yeah.
you go that way and another street.
Yeah.
Oh, you enter here, you go down, have the beach.
There, that
Yeah,
road
the
as well,
beach.
little beach as well.
Yes.
Over there, yeah, beach as well. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, all the roads to the beach,
All
innit?
the
All the roads to the beach, yeah. But there are no
In
hotel
the
on the beach.
marina, and in the marina, you can to see all beach, all beach.
In the marina?
Because you can you have the panoramic view, and you can to
Oh,
see
okay,
all,
yeah.
all beach.
Like the what called the
You
scope.
to see that way,
Yeah.
all that way,
Yeah,
and you can to see everything.
Yeah, the telescope. Yeah, you call it
But
telescope.
for that,
yeah.
you need maybe 30 minutes. It's a minimum time for there.
Okay.
For don't go walking there and coming back.
Yeah, yeah. So what's around the old? This is old town now.
Yeah, I show you.
Wait, what's around the old
Yeah.
town? Let's see what there is.
Have the possible to go that way, but I give you the big round, okay?
For myself.
Yeah.
It's a grocery. What's that? A pharmacy.
Yeah, no. It's possible for to go to the old town over
Okay,
there,
okay,
but
okay.
I give you the big round, okay? For do you
Okay.
see more?
Okay, yeah. Are these houses are in flats or hotels or guest houses?
With the get out, yes.
Guest houses.
Get out. No, this is not the get out. It's for the house, normal.
Okay, yeah. But those over there, guest houses.
Sometimes, yeah, it is a get out. It's
Okay.
a hotel.
Yeah, hotel.
But in the side and these things
Yeah.
have just for rent for self,
Rent,
just for
the rent it. Oh yeah. Like bed and breakfast,
and
like
just for holidays or sometimes for
Yeah.
years, but depends.
like Airbnb, like something like.
So for that way, have the little shop over there,
Shop. Okay.
Shops.
By the hotel.
and another hotels.
Yeah.
Over there
This
have the
hotel.
McDonald's,
Oh, okay.
KFC.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's so much hotels.
So much.
Thousands.
Yes.
Maybe each town have like 10,000 hotel rooms.
Really.
Yeah.
You like the natural views? You need to go away for that way.
Natural view.
Yeah, for you don't to see so much hotels.
No, okay.
You see proper view.
Okay, like trees and the
Do
seaside.
you see this?
Ah, okay, yeah.
Okay. But for that way, you need maybe 30
Yeah,
minutes,
yeah.
1 hour, okay?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Now I just show you the center.
It's a gallery, it's a museum, yeah?
Yeah, it's a museum.
That's good. Relax. Yeah.
So that way is the old town.
Old town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time stop here, okay?
Yeah. Okay, because the cash point. Yeah.
It's over there.
Okay.
Don't worry.
What's that?
Hold down.
Hotel. Okay, yeah, next hotel. Okay. Wow.
It's all down. You have the escalator over there? You
Yeah,
see?
skeleton hotel. Yeah.
You go there down and you go to the beach.
Yeah, yeah. All those houses are they like guest houses? Rent them out.
Yeah, rent for sale or
Rent
for
for sale.
holidays.
Holidays,
Or for
yeah.
living, depends.
Yeah.
But
That's-
really expensive.
Yeah, that's like tens of thousands many of rooms.
Yeah, it's the problem in this city. Everybody just for rent for the holidays.
Yeah.
And you need the house for living is not have. It's very
Yeah, it's not good for living. It's
Really,
rent.
really.
Well, people
I'm
they
go
buy
with
them
you.
and rent them out.
I'll go with you. I show you over there.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
If you want to go to the TM,
Yeah.
over there, okay?
Okay. Turn this off.